Christine from Say Creative here. I'm going to install my new CatDog extender wheels on my PiBurn. Now I have this in the CatDog configuration and I've been operating it with it like this for quite some time, and I've just been resting my cup on these back wheels. So when I pull this in, one of the things that can happen is that this can get in the way of the cup. But now with these extenders, I'm going to be able to move this further away. So I have an 8mm socket. This is an extended socket. That's not needed. It's just what I had available. And the hex screwdriver that came with my PiBurn. So I'm going to remove the existing components. My apologies, I had thumb surgery. So here I've removed the back wheels. And now I have these really long screws that I'm going to reinstall them with. Putting the spacer piece back on like it was. Adding this piece, my new wheels, and the bolts. Oh, wait. These bolts that came off of this part. I grabbed the wrong bolts. Now these bolts will be used if you're going to actually do the adapting from scratch, but I already have mine adapted, so I don't need these. So that, my friends, is all there is to it. Now when I put a cup on my PiBurn grip, I can rest it here instead of having to bring the centerpiece all the way here. Easy peasy.